Hello, I'm Dan Bastian from Portalis. What you're seeing here is a new revolutionary product, a hardware appliance that goes into control rooms, network operations centers, military command and control, any center where the operator is forced to manage multiple disparate computer systems. This is a sample of the ProXI, the hardware appliance. At the back you can see multiple input cards. This is a modular, flexible system. What you're able to do is bring in multiple disparate computer system feeds. Each system requires its own card, if you will, and you're able to manage multiple disparate systems, manage live. This is not just multi-viewer monitoring, but actually managing live multiple systems. You can see in this system here, for example, the operator has access to 6 separate incoming inputs. You can have up to 8, you can have up to 15, you can put 64, you can have over 900 inputs if you need to. Once you get the different inputs in, that could be a Linux box, could be a military defense guidance system, could be a variety of Windows or Mac or any type of inputs, then you have multiple capabilities that you don't have if you're just managing the systems in silo. For example, you can certainly move the windows around and create your own layouts. In addition, you have instant access. If you go into number 1, you can have instant access to these systems. In addition, if you don't need to manage and see all information all the time, you can create a sub-window of a small piece of the data. You can size it, scale it, move it, save it, have access just to that mission-critical data as opposed to the whole at all times. So this is a workstation integrator, revolutionary new technology that will go into control rooms. For additional information, please go to our website at portalis.lc.com, PORTALISLC.com. Thank you for coming to InfoComm 13 in Orlando.